The end? Have you been to the library yet? Go to the library. What are you gonna do at the library?
Dinosaur books.
A dinosaur book. Okay.
Once upon a time, this dinosaur.
What's the name of the dinosaur?
Dinosaur. He's princess. What is a princess?
I don't know. Oh, look at your dinosaurs over there. What kind of dinosaur is it? Pick a dinosaur. Pick a dinosaur. And tell me what kind of dinosaur is it? Okay. Okay. Then you tell a story about the...
Once upon a time,
Uh-huh.
this Dino Dan.
Dino Dan.
Dino Dan.
Oh,
Draw a picture.
of a...
Mom.
Of a mom. Okay. Where does your dinosaur fit in your story? Go get your dinosaur and tell a story about your dinosaur. It's right there on the floor. It's right there.
No, we're going to get another dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur is it?
It's a T-Rex.
T-Rex. Okay.
T-Rex.
Okay, what's the story now? Tell me a story.
No, that's not it.
That's not it. What kind of dinosaur is that? What are they doing?
They're trying going to the playground.
You're going to the playground. And do what?
They're going to the playground. Swing, swing, wee! Wee!
Mm-hmm. What else?
They're going back to their house.
Where's their house?
They're going to build it.
Where are you going to build it?
Now I go.
Who's that?
This Daddy. That's Mom.
Mm-hmm.
That's the other dad. Who's the
Stegosaurus. Yeah. The baby is the Stegosaurus.
Their house.
Okay.
I'm going to build a castle.
Oh, you're going to build a castle. You're building a castle.
The princess.
Oh, where's the princess?
He's a nasty. He's a nasty. He's a nasty.
Oh, okay.
One more dinosaur left. He's princess. Berkeley. Hurts. Berkeley.
Is it Berkeley?
Berkeley hurts. That's not hurt. That's not her dinosaur. It's a princess. I'm a princess too.
You're a princess too. Okay. Your chair.
Mommy, get it.
Where's your chair?
Get it. Mommy, you're a princess too.
I'm a princess. Thank you. Okay.
Now we're two princesses.
Oh, we're two princesses. Okay.
I'm the other princess.
Okay. Go get your
Another
scepter.
princess.
Go get your scepter. It's right there by the tree.
My Christmas present.
What? No. No. You opened them on Saturday.
No.
Here, here.
I gotta reach it.
Oh, you can reach it. Come on now. Come back out.
Now I turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights.